Morocco, Algeria, ShipOwner 516. Many ship owners have these policies of Asian crew, of European crew, European flag. Many companies are starting to trade with Morocco and Algeria. Why? Because these countries' economies are going to boost. Yeah, it's a bullish stock investment. Why? It's a huge population, very young countries, very young indeed. They speak Francais, they speak few Spanish, some English, well educated, a lot of tourism linked hospitality business. So for rope access, for cooks, stewards, there is a huge possibility. Europe is full of African families. We have almost integrated and we are getting there, and therefore there is a huge business from agriculture, industry, car, all kind of business. The commerce is going to grow big way, but everybody, all the ship owners are just looking to Asia, looking to this, the typical policy, as they say, up north. And the situation is, how can I adapt to this? Well, Candina has a huge possibilities. For example, Cyprus flag does endorse Moroccan and Algerian officers. Very good quality, excellent. There is good and bad guys in Spain, in Filipinas, in India, everywhere. And there is good and bad crew management companies and transparent, and there are corruption everywhere. Also in many European countries, yes, because they occupy buildings. Why? It's not necessary with AI, is it? But if you are interested in having a change of policy, if you are interested in adapting to your language, is it français? Oui, c'est possible de parler français avec les bateaux, avec les Cyprus flag, oui. Le pavillon de Cyprus, c'est parfait pour ça. And the Candina has huge experience since 1995. I interviewed 1,000 Nador port Moroccan crew in 48 hours. Yes, it's a world record, it's a Guinness record, of course it is. But since then, almost 20 years have gone, and 30 years, and then we have that experience for you, dear ship owner, because we can really help your company adapt to the new trade, the new competition. Everybody is doing it. If you are not doing it, you are late, dear ship owner. So you should contact Candina and give us your full fleet. We are ready for your 500 seafarers, 1,000 seafarers. We can manage this today. Why? Because summertime is when Europeans don't want to work, because they get paid for not working. So we can really get this thing done. Thank you. Merci. Au revoir.